In this reaction, there are two different carbocation shift moves. The first step is to use the hydronium catalyst to make the more substituted carbocation. The three-membered ring next to that carbocation is strained, and when you shift one of the bonds over to the carbocation, the compound becomes more stable. The hydrogen on the carbon next to the carbocation then shifts to form an even more stable tertiary carbocation. Water adds, and the catalyst is regenerated to complete the reaction.